Want to create a spooky, ghostly voice for your next horror project or Halloween video? Today, I'm going to show you a classic sound design trick to make a terrifying ghost voice in Adobe Audition. Let's get started. First, record your spooky phrase, something like, "Get out," or "Who's there?" Here's my normal recording.
The secret to a convincing ghost voice isn't just adding echo. It's about adding echo backwards. I'm going to show you the classic sound design trick that all the pros use for horror projects.
Now for the first and most important step, we are going to reverse the audio. Go to the top menu and select Effects. In the menu, simply click on Reverse. Your audio will now play completely backwards, which already sounds pretty creepy. But here's where the magic happens. While the audio is still reversed, we are going to add a lot of reverb. Go back to Effects, down to Reverb, and choose Studio Reverb. In the Presets menu, choose something big and spacious, like Great Hall. You can even turn the wet level up to make it extra echoey. Now, click Apply. Your backwards audio now has a long reverb tail. For the final mind-blowing step, we just reverse it one more time. Go back to Effects and click Reverse again. Now let's listen.
What if I told you the secret to a convincing ghost voice isn't just adding echo? It's about...
And there you have it, a truly spooky and professional ghost effect, where the echo comes in before the words. If you enjoyed this spooky tutorial, don't forget to haunt that like button and subscribe for more creepy audio effects.